Okay, let's talk. Clubhouse app invites. How do you get an invite for this Clubhouse app and how do you get in? That's what this video is all about. We figured it out and I'm here to share it with you. Clubhouse is an audio only app that is blowing up right now. It is what I call trend stacking, where you stack things that are very popular together into one app. But I love how simple it is. Now, I'm not going to go into depth of what Clubhouse is because I have a whole video about what is Clubhouse. You can check that out in one of the corners, okay? In this video, we're going to be talking specifically about how to get you into Clubhouse because you've probably heard your friends talking about it. You've probably seen it on social media and the FOMO is real. So follow the steps in this video and hopefully by the end of this video, you will be into Clubhouse and ready to rock. And stick around to the end of the video because I have a quick tip on how to grow your following really fast and actually get the best experience out of this amazing app. I'm Steven, this is the Rainmaker Family Channel. My wife and I, we're on a mission to help people create alternative sources of income online, and that's why I'm talking about this app on this YouTube channel. I'm typically very slow to just jump on a new app because I really value my time, and sometimes these apps can suck a lot of your time away. And with being an early adopter, it comes a lot of opportunities. I'm recording this video in the first few days of 2021, and right now the app is in beta, so it means it's only for iPhone and it's invite only. If you're an Android user, they should be coming out with an Android version soon, but if you can get in sooner, you can capitalize on this opportunity. If you have an iPad or an old iPod, you can download the app and follow this process as well. As with anything in tech, things change really fast, so if they get rid of the app invite system, skip to the other videos in this playlist because I have other really helpful videos about how to grow on Clubhouse and how to actually make money off the platform. Okay, let's get right into it. So step one is you have to download the app. Now I'm going to show my screen and walk you through it because there are some copycat apps out there and I want to make sure you're not downloading the wrong one and getting scammed. Okay, so you can see right here, I have my app store pulled up. So go to your app store on your iPhone and type in Clubhouse. From there, you may see some ads, but it should be one of the top ones here right at the top. They have been changing the main photo of this app from time to time, so make sure you click on it and make sure it's by Alpha Exploration Co. Step two is to hit download, let that thing download, and then once it's done, click open. Okay, so step three, and this is where some people mess up, so if you want to get in fast, make sure you follow this exactly, okay? So to get into Clubhouse, you're gonna need to know someone who's already on Clubhouse. If you've heard about Clubhouse, you probably do know someone who's already on there. If you don't know someone, the app is growing exponentially, so just like post on Instagram or Facebook, who has Clubhouse, and you'll get a lot of responses. So what we found, and I've done this many times with people already successfully, is if you have a friend who is already inside the Clubhouse app, and that person has your personal phone number inside their contacts on their phone, then when you join Clubhouse and you reserve a username, they will get a little notification asking them to nominate you or let you in to Clubhouse. This is the key to getting into Clubhouse fast. It's just knowing someone who's in and making sure your phone number is in their contacts, then reserving a username and then asking that person to let you in. So back up to step four. Say you post on your Facebook, you're like, who's on Clubhouse? You have a bunch of people say they're on Clubhouse, right? Go to one of those trusted people and say, hey, I heard if you have me in your contacts on your phone, you can get me into Clubhouse. Can you add me as a contact in your phone real quick? Have that person add you as a contact in their phone and then go reserve your username on Clubhouse. Step five, as soon as you've reserved your username, reach back out to that person, ask them to log into Clubhouse, and they should see a notification pop up right at the top that says like, your name has joined Clubhouse. Do you want to let them in? And they have the choice to click let you in. The cool part is when someone nominates you on Clubhouse to join the platform, their name gets permanently put on your profile. It says, this person was added by this person. This is really cool because it helps them grow their influence on Clubhouse just by letting more of their friends in. So go try this now. I bet you're gonna be able to get into Clubhouse within the week. And once you're in, check out the other videos in our Clubhouse playlist because I have tons of tips on how to go from beginner to pro, and actually grow your account and make money from it. And I promised I'd share one make money tip with you on Clubhouse. Okay, so stick around for that, but there's a couple caveats to what I just told you about how to get friends and all these things to get you into the app. The first thing that could go wrong with this is the friend that you asked hasn't actually synced their contacts with the app. When you join the app, it'll actually ask you to sync your contacts, and not everyone does that. So if that friend hasn't done that, then the app isn't going to know that you joined and they're not going to get that notification to let you in. What I would do to combat this is you're going to maybe have multiple people comment on that post you make about who has Clubhouse. The more people you reach out to, the faster you're going to get in because it increases the odds that they're going to see that notification and they're going to let you in. Okay, to end this video, because this channel is all about making money online, I wanted to give you a money making tip when it comes to Clubhouse. And that is, okay, shameless plug, follow me on Clubhouse. I'm gonna put my username right on the screen right here, but I'm gonna tell you why. The way Clubhouse works is very, very unique. And you actually unlock rooms, which are like conversations based on the people you follow. Because I'm in a lot of paid masterminds and connected with a lot of people in the internet marketing world, I participate in a lot of these rooms that are all about creating generational wealth for your family. So as soon as you get on the app, if you follow me, you're gonna get access to these same rooms. These are rooms full of multimillionaires, and I have literally paid thousands of dollars to sit in the room with these people, and they're giving away free information on Clubhouse. What I recommend you do next is check out our Clubhouse tutorial. It's a full demo that's going to walk you through the app. When you join the app, you might get invited into a welcome room, and sometimes those are awesome, and then people will tell you how to use the app. But in case that doesn't happen, I don't want to leave you hanging and you feel like you don't know what's going on the app. So definitely check out the video I'm going to link to at the end of this video for everything you need to know. With that, thank you so much for watching. Once you get into Clubhouse, if you use this video as your how-to, please let me know in the comments below so I can celebrate with you and I can hopefully connect with you on that app.